Hey guys, welcome back to the video. This is Isaac Everything here, and today I'm gonna unboxing the Raspberry Pi SD card, and Raspberry Pi official case. So let's unbox the Raspberry Pi first. Then let's go to the other products. I just unboxed the case. Actually, I thought it was the Raspberry Pi, and I unboxed it. I made a video, so I'll show it to you itself after this. So first unbox the Pi, then I'll show that to you. So last time I'd taken the 3B, now I've taken the 3B plus. The 3B was actually defective, so I had to send everything back. And one return, I did not get it back. Yeah, it's fine. But this time, like at this point, like I'm talking something else, but at this point I thought, did I get a fake one or was I scammed? So, but it was RoboCraze from my dealer, so we packed it with it. But then I got the correct one. So no problem for that. Then we got something like this. Unique package has just arrived. Thank you for shopping with us, Team RoboCraze. So sorry for that glass which just popped in. I'll put that in. See this guys. So this Raspberry Pi is a 3B plus, small B plus, 3 Raspberry Pi 3B plus. I did not see that open here right there, and I got the store actually, from before it was stone, so I quite don't know what's the matter with that. So the 3B plus, it's by Element 14. First I used to think it's Element 14. It's cracked, like stone. It's stone. Yeah, let's open it. Sorry for the blur right there. Camera is high quality, but it's not working sometimes. Yeah, I'll have to adjust that. Like at this point, I destroyed it even more. Then I understood that that's not the place to open. So got the place actually. After that, when I saw that open here, I got it open. So the Raspberry Pi is quite amazing, and I like it so much. You can make so many projects out of that. I've brought that just for that, so yeah, it's quite nice. I'll keep that aside, and the second one I'll show it to you, the parts and all. Let's see what's in that. A QR code and a manual. Save instructions. Cool. So let's keep that back. I'll show you the Raspberry Pi now. So this is the processor for. I'll just show it to you first, and I'll talk about that. It's quite lightweight, actually. This is the Ethernet, not the Gigabyte one, and the 4 USB ports, audio jack, HDMI, USB display, and more pins for projects. Actually, this is the original Raspberry Pi, as you can see. Quite nice. So now I'll actually show the case unboxing to you. So that's the packaging of the case. It's the original case. I thought that's the Raspberry Pi actually, so I got confused a little bit. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing of this case. That's the 32GB SD card I brought with adapter for the noobs, and this is my packaging. Then I've got the cutter. I'll open it up. I made a mistake. I'll have to put that part out, Sorry guys. So you watch the unboxing of this case. I'll be back in a moment. So that was the unboxing of the case itself. So after we've done that, it's a Pi Case White. I got it from 9.99. No one quite get it. I got it for 2.85. That's a discounted price on Amazon. So this is the heat shrink thing. The heat shrink thing means the heat shrink tape actually. So yeah, that's an openable case actually. So we'll insert the Raspberry Pi into it. Might be difficult or might be easy. We don't know because I've never used that. So yeah, let's open it and then put it in. Oh yeah, fits quite nice. So let's put it back. I'll be back. So I've got that right now. So that's the Raspberry Pi. Everything set up. That's the SD card port. Then there are two ports where light comes out from. Ethernet, four USB plugs. I told that already. Audio input, HDMI power. Yeah, that's done. So it's quite openable, but I don't know the trick. But now I know. So you understand what I'm telling, right? So sorry for any disturbance in the sound actually. So we can't put that in. We can we can't, but we can yeah. So let's open this SD card, 32 GB with the adapter. It's 100 Mbps. Mbps means megabytes per second or MB per second. That's the memory storage unit and the speed of transfer. So yeah, I'm trying to focus on that. So yeah, podcast, man. Yeah, now it works. So now I'll just get that thing out of the way. Heat shrink tube or the heat shrink tape, whatever. So now I'll open this thing quite nicely. I mean, so every time I destroy it, this time I'll do it quite properly in a very nice way because I don't want to throw this package. I just want to keep it just for fun. No, it's 32 GB. What it says right there. So we'll put noobs on this and then we'll start it. I can't show you the setup of the Pi because it's revealing my home when I tried to do that. So this is actually in commentary because yeah, you'll come to know. I'll give the explanation when I make my Mac videos. So yeah, yeah, well, actually it's nice, this thing. Sorry if I say nice, the word nice too much because it doesn't sound good. At least I don't like it. Focus, man. No, sorry for that, but it's just my sound from my mouth not fixing. Yeah, that's fine. See that, right? It's the A1 quality. So that's by strontium or what is called strontium, right? Nitro. I have one like that, but it's a different nitro. It's a yellow nitro. The SD card itself is a nitro. So that's pretty much it for this video. So you enjoyed the further things, what I'm telling you. I don't know what I wanted to tell that time, but yeah, just see that. Bye for now. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.